period. All these memories, killing all my energy. Shattered glass, broken bones, and a new chance. All I ever wanted was a second glance. As we remember hopes and dreams, being loved ain't what it seems. If I die, I'll live again to my one and only friend. You were with me till the end, the one that we meet again. Lord, forgive me for taking your hand. Siren songs sing the song of the innocent. I would tell the truth, but what's the difference? You were my cornerstone before I knew I needed one. Your arms always feel like home.
Silver lining, bet you didn't know. Da-dum, da-dum. The sun be shining, even if you go. Da-dum, da-da-dum. Silver lining, bet you didn't know. Da-dum, da-dum. The sun be shining, even if you go. Da-dum, da-da-dum. If you think I'm breathing, crying and breathing, you should know I don't. Da-dum, da-dum. No, I still be breathing, even if you're leaving. I think I'll be alone. Da-dum, da-dum. I'll be moving on.
Holy Father, Father, I'm playing with fire. Esa vibra sobrenatural que me envuelve tentando a pecar. Adrenalina llévame a
Give me your hand and shoulder. To see shoulder get up. Blessings for your head up. Yola balaba. Give me your hand and shoulder. But I know go get us. Better go locate us. Yola balaba. Give me your hand and shoulder. To see shoulder get up. Blessings for your head up. I'm checking it twice and I'm getting them hit. The real ones been dying, the fake ones is lit. The game is off balance, I'm back on my shit. The Bentley is dirty, my sneakers is dirty, but that's how I like it. You all on my dick. I'm all in my bag, as hard as it get. I do not throw powder, I might take a sip. I might hit the blunt, but I'm liable to trip. I ain't popping no pill, but you do as you wish. I roll with some fiends, I love them to death. I got a few mil, but not all of them rich. What good is the bread if my niggas is broke? What good is first class if my niggas ain't shit? That's my next mission, that's why I can't quit. Just like LeBron, get my niggas more chips. Just put the rollie right back on my wrist. This watch came from Drizzy, he gave me a gift. Back when the rap game was praying like this. They act like two legends cannot coexist. But I never beef with a nigga for nothing. If I smoke a rapper, it's gonna be legit. It won't be for clout.
The spirit blows where it will. Can I get a little bit over here? Our constant need to reach for the stars above you and me. Sister Moon.